Leave the fork in it. Leave the fork in it. Leave the fork in it. Good job. Good job. Now, say 1/4. 1/4 cup molasses. So we're going to take this here. No, leave that alone. That's it. Well, I got to put it over here. You're going to do the molasses now. Okay, butter girl. Come here, butter girl. Okay, we're trying to do molasses. Gracie, we got to do this now. Come on. Let me see. Stop. You can lick later. Lick later. Stop. Silly little fruit fly. Okay, now we're going to take this. Now, 2 hands. Pick that up. Just, yep, slowly. Keep pouring. So we're pouring molasses. Slowly. Keep going. Good job. Say, this is molasses, Daddy. Good job. We're being very gentle with it, aren't we? Because we don't want to get it all over everything. Because this is the real stuff. Good job, Gracie. Good job. And stop. Keep on. Pick it up. Good job. You didn't spill any. Oh, that's a high five. High five right here. High five. All right. Now we're going to put that right there. Now, I'm going to put you back to stirring butter again. And quit eating it all. You like stirring butter for some reason. Don't touch. Look at that. That's perfect. You know, I can't ask for anything better than that. Wow, you did a great job. Gosh, you're awesome. Okay. Keep stirring.